Hello everybody, welcome to Broadstairs. It's another cold winter's day here and I'm wearing my hat knit by my friend Nellie. But it's not a normal day in America, it's a special day. It's Thanksgiving. I've never been in America for Thanksgiving, but I'd really like to. I bet it's a really wonderful occasion. Anyway, to commemorate Thanksgiving, I'm going to send out a newsletter featuring my mosaics of turkeys. Because over the years I've made a few turkey mosaics. Some people would say over the years I've made a lot of turkey mosaics, but there we go. Now, the only one I've got here in the studio to show you is this one, my Thanksgiving turkey, and he appeared in the Cheeky Beast character calendar last year. Here he is. And I've written a verse as usual to accompany it, which goes like this. This American turkey is known as a bronze. He's escaped to the UK from across the pond. He heard all about American Thanksgiving and decided that he'd rather carry on living. It turns out he's been a bit of a fool because next month is the UK's Christmas Yule. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.